Understanding Spam the Inbox, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, spam the inbox. This phrase is commonly used in the digital world, and understanding its meaning and usage is key for effective communication in today's tech-savvy environment. So, let's dive in and decode this modern expression. Spam the inbox refers to the act of sending numerous unwanted or irrelevant messages to someone's email inbox. The term spam here is crucial. Originally linked to unsolicited bulk emails, spam has now broadened to include any overwhelming amount of digital content sent to an individual without their request. When someone says they're spamming the inbox, they're usually sending a large number of messages, often of a repetitive or unimportant nature. The term spam didn't always mean unwanted emails. It originated from a canned meat product called Spam. The connection comes from a Monty Python sketch where spam is humorously omnipresent and unavoidable, much like unwanted emails in your inbox. Understanding this quirky origin can help remember the term's meaning in the digital context. To fully grasp spam the inbox, let's look at some examples. A company constantly sends promotional emails, filling up a customer's inbox with ads. A friend bombarding you with chat messages, even when you're not responding. In both cases, the receiver feels overwhelmed by the quantity and persistence of the messages, which is the essence of spamming the inbox. Now, let's practice using this phrase in sentences. I had to unsubscribe from their newsletter. They were spamming my inbox with daily emails. Sorry for spamming your inbox last night. I sent too many memes. These sentences show how the phrase can be used in both formal and informal contexts. That's all for today's lesson on spam the inbox. I hope this video has helped clarify this modern phrase's meaning and usage. Remember, language is constantly evolving, especially with technology's influence. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of English language learning.